Organising with kids can seem chaotic, but don't worry, I'm here to give you some great practical tips to organise with your kids. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates on practical tips to organise your life. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for over 15 years, and I'm here today to help you organise with your kids. I care. Organising with kids can seem chaotic, but using the acronym I care helps keep everyone on task. I is for identify. Start with setting goals together. Everyone is unique and has their own ideas of what being organised means. Take the time to ask your kids questions and find out what they think. Do they want more space to play? Do they want to be able to see all the toys they love, instead of having to dig through a bin full of toys they like and toys they don't? If your kids understand why they're organising, it will be easier to motivate them. Categorise. Look at the items you have and divide them into let go of and keep categories. Let go of clothing that your kids have outgrown and toys they don't play with anymore. Finding and letting go of clothes that don't fit anymore is pretty simple, but toys are a bit more complicated. It's a good time to teach your kids about using resources wisely and not being wasteful. Show them that toys that aren't broken can be donated. They often have an easier time letting go of old toys if they know someone else will play with them and take care of them. If you're having difficulty deciding when to let go of toys, make a place for things you know your child isn't playing with regularly. Suggest to them that if they haven't played with a toy again by the next time you go through their toys, then someone else could use it. Keeping things that are still useful or well loved. Toys that are played with, clothes that fit, and items that are necessary for schoolwork are all worth keeping. A is for assign homes. Children have different organisational needs from adults. They're short and not very strong, so it's best to keep things that they need access to lower to the ground and in smaller containers. That way they can grab what they need by themselves and return it later. Keep like with like, books with books, cereal with cereal, and so on. I always advocate using labels, especially on containers that aren't see-through. For kids, these can be written labels or pictures for younger ones. To keep things simple, it's a good idea to rotate toys for younger children. Rotating should be between different types of toys. Instead of having 3 tricycles, you could have a tricycle, a ball, and a hula hoop that they can rotate through. This cuts down on duplicate toys and encourages development of different motor skills. I recommend keeping toys in their bedrooms. That way they have access to what they need easily, and you can have some grown-up space at the end of the day. R is for realistic. Be realistic about the space you have and how much you can really fit into your home. At the end of the day, kids don't need more stuff. They need love and attention. E is for easy to maintain. When it comes to organising with children, Maria Montessori had it right. Have one home that is an easy reach for each item. This makes it easy to take out and easy to put back. The simpler it is to clean up, the more likely your child will enjoy doing it. Use vertical spaces and shelving that's easy for them to access. At the end of your child's playtime, use a basket to collect toys and put them back where they belong in your child's bedroom, so you can have space for yourself after the kids are in bed. Organising is a learned skill. It's never too late to learn, nor too early to learn. Have a plan, patience and persistence, and you will see results over the years. Organising is not one and done. It's a lifelong process. Enjoy the journey. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Organise to Excel. Practical solutions for everyday issues. Like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, and visit our website www.organisetoexcel.com.